Okay, we're back. I've got everything pinned out. Now in order to build my motor profile, I've got to go ahead and determine the inductance between the windings. So I'm going to go between phases, or poles rather. So if you look, I believe I am between, yep, I'm between two of them. Let's see what the value is. 2.62 millihenry, 2.62 millihenry. And let me go between another set of phases, or poles rather. I don't know why I keep saying phases. 2.5. So 2.44, 2.6, 2.2. That one's moving around. It could be because I'm not using high voltage. I think I'm only using like 20 volts on it. 2.42. I'm gonna come back over here, and I don't know what the voltage, if it would make a difference or not on this one. 2.47, 2.62, 2.47. I'm gonna wait for it to settle. 2.62, 2.56. And this could very well even be I haven't used this ringer in probably 5, 6, 7 years. So 2.4, 2.5, 2.6. Okay, let me do one last one here. Do between those. So it's 2.54. 2.4, so right around 2.5. That's close enough to get me in the ballpark when I create the motor profile. So I think I'm gonna have to go back and check, but I think I'm gonna be okay on that. I think I read somewhere where I need to divide that 2.5 by 2. I will start at the 2.5, and if the motor doesn't tune properly after that, then I'll divide it down to 1.25. Per phase. So this is where I'm at. Hopefully this helped anybody that's working on the same motor. This is that Fanuc red top. This is the spindle motor. This is the AB06 0725. This is a 7.5 kilowatt motor. So I'm pretty excited. I'm trying to hook this to an Allen Bradley servo drive, and I'm going to have to create a motor profile using the, that's another story in another video, but I'm going to have to create a motor profile with the Allen Bradley software that lets me use a motor that's not an Allen Bradley motor. But I'm going to have to create the profile for this motor so the servo drive knows what's going on. This motor is also rated at 200 volts. So I was able to get a lot of stuff off the plate or off the tag. So, I mean, I know I'm at 200 volts. I know what my inductance is. I'm a little sketchy on what the current should be. I'm going to go in and try and do some calculations, see if I can come up with the idle current, whatnot. So anyways, I'll be getting back with you. I may just have to plug some numbers in, run the drive, be conservative and see what it pulls, and the drive will tell me. So hope this helps anybody. You're welcome to, if you got a question or something. I'm just doing this to help other people. I'm documenting it through as I do it. There's no need for these machines to go to the scrap as long as somebody's willing to, wants to put in the time. I'll probably have 100 hours in this machine, and I've been buying all the parts on eBay. So, and I've been getting them, fixing the parts myself. So here's where we're at. If there's any questions, comments, concerns, let me know. Once I get this thing up later today, I will bring it up and show you, as long as I can get it up and running. I'm fixing to go wire up the encoder in the back. I've got it all pinned out, and then I'm going to build my profile. Thanks, guys.